Hi there YouTube, this is DJ Kavish here in the Warehouse DJ Academy, and today I'm gonna do a quick unboxing of this product which I have ordered from Flipkart, and it is the Realme Smart Watch. So yeah friends, I think it will be a helpful video for you if you want to check out what is there in the box, and it's a good watch altogether to be paired with your smartphone, your Android phone, your iOS, and it has got a lot of features. It's a feature packed smartwatch from Realme, and Realme is doing quite a good thing in the smartwatch market, bringing to you the economic and yet powerful product to use. So let's do a quick unboxing, and here we start. Let me cut this thing, and we have received a good packaging from Flipkart, though I am not ordering much of my products from Flipkart, but yeah, I ordered this thing from Flipkart, and as you can see there is a lot of space left, and there you have just the product itself. We're gonna come to this quickly, but let's see what they have sent us. Okay, it's a bill, and it cost me 3,999 with a black strap, and it is called as Realme Fashion Watch. So there's the bill. Let's keep this box aside. Let's come down to the product, and yeah, so there you can see we have the Realme watch. It's a good watch. It has a large color display, watch strap replacement. You can replace the watch straps, and you have the daily activity tracking, and it also has a SpO2 monitor. Then you have a heart rate monitor 24/7, and it also includes 14 sports modes. So whether you are doing workout in the home, or you're walking, you're running, you're doing cycling, you're swimming, so it can track all those things, and also it can track your sleep cycles, how much you have done the deep sleep, and the various sleep cycles it can record. So let's peel the cover, and let's first cut it from the back. And if you want to listen to the sound of the cover, yeah, I actually love this sound. So overall, good packaging, yellow color, and just drag the bottom part, and there you have the watch itself. As you can see, it's a beautiful watch. And beneath this section here, I think inside here will be some paperwork. No, it's just a packaging, but let's check both the side. Yeah, it's just the packaging, and the paperwork is down here in the bottom. With the paperwork, you definitely get the charging dock on which you can place the watch itself. It has a magnetic touch. Yeah, so it's a magnetic charger, magnetic dock. The regular paperwork, I think nobody reads this thing. Yeah, so that was a quick unboxing of the Realme watch. I don't know if it's charged or not, but let me quickly tap on the side button and let's check. Yeah, it's open. It gave me a haptic feedback. Now it's asking me to select the language and scan and download the app. So yeah, so I have to do all the setup, but that was a quick unboxing of the Realme watch. I hope you guys liked it, and if possible then I'll be coming soon with a quick review of the watch, whether I liked the experience on this Realme watch or not. But overall, so far so good. Things look good, and I think it's gonna definitely become the part of my daily routine, my life, to track few things. So yeah, thank you for watching. I don't know how to even tie this up, but I'll be definitely doing a review if possible of this watch. And thank you so much for watching. This is DJ Kavish all the way from the Warehouse DJ Academy, and I'm signing out. Yo.